Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Hello Hollyhocks kit. I actually really like these kits. I think they're fun. They are great for new crafters, busy crafters, crafters who just want a quick and easy projects. All-inclusive kits have everything you need in one box. And I like the fact that you can give them as a gift or, take them camping with you or just something creative to do. So what I like to do is I'm sort of separating all the pieces for my 3 projects. So we get 3 copies of each project in this kit. That is 9 cards and envelopes. You'll get pre-designed projects, step-by-step picture instructions, so you don't even need to read, pre-cut pieces. There's no prep work. They have all the adhesives, and they have die-cut images and labels or sentiments, and they have fun adhesive-backed sparkle gems. And I like to use my own adhesive just because it's quicker, but I also feel like if you did have the one thing that is lacking is a pokey tool, you could use a toothpick if you wanted to, but I do find that they come in handy just plucking off those glue dots off of the sheet, or taking off the release paper on the dimensionals. So this particular one, we put that blue twig on with just flat adhesive, and then the frame comes with dimensionals. And I used my mini dimensionals on some of these, and I would probably recommend, if you just have the adhesive from the kit, is to cut them in half so that they fit a little bit better around that frame. And here is, and of course I did put dimensional adhesive on the sentiment strip there, but these are the adhesive back sparkle gems, and these gems are not like rhinestones, they're more like circular sparkly paper. And I really like Hollyhocks. I think they're beautiful. And I know that whenever you go to take, say, flowers to a sick person in the hospital, we always go for flowers, don't we, to brighten someone's day. I often go and grab flowers to just put into my dining room so that I get a nice little boost when I walk past. It is something, I know that Stampin' Up does a lot with florals, but I mean, seriously, why not? They're very popular. And you can brighten someone's day with this kit because of the hollyhock flowers. I love that this kit is all occasions, and it can help send a friendly hello or a note of thanks to a flower-loving friend or loved one, I suppose. And you compare the desired sentiments and the desired die cuts and the images from the kit to quickly create timeless cards. You could also sort of mess them up, right? Like do 2 of the how it was intended, and then mess up the 3rd one to make something completely different. I know that everyone likes to do sometimes alternatives. When I do the kits, it's not like my paper pumpkin where I want to do something completely alternative. Sometimes these kits are just what they are. I'm going to be doing some crafting. I need some cards, and I want to have just a really good crafting session without having the doldrums of trying to figure out the designs. I do that enough as it is. So sometimes when I get these kits, and my goodness, they're so lovely, and I know that Stampin' Up is definitely sort of encouraging people to try because it's something real special. Like, you don't see a lot of these kind of pre-made kits with other companies. So this is my 3rd and last kit or card from the kit that we're going to create today. And you never know, maybe I will feature another kit on next Monday. Monday projects are very simple for me. I like the Monday projects because they are, or my Monday Makes projects, because I feel like these ones are made for, you know, the beginners or sort of newer people to the crafty elements, not necessarily the avid ones. What I do like about Wednesdays is that they're a crapshoot. You never know what you're going to get. It's kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know exactly what you're going to get on Wednesdays. It could be anything. And I know I have been sort of slacking on the Fridays of late. I'm mindful of that. Sometimes it's just hard to get things going and edited properly and that sort of thing, but I am going to put a priority on it. You guys are worth it, and I want to get back into some of my Friday creations. As a matter of fact, I've got 2 projects kind of ready to go. So here we are putting the last little bits on this card kit, or well, on the 3rd cards. I'm not sure which one I like the best. I really kind of like the script hello for this one. I liked that diagonal hollyhock. I thought the colors were beautiful and the flowers are exciting. Yeah, so I'm not sure which design I liked the best. Maybe, I don't know. I like simple cards, so maybe this is it. Maybe this is the one I like best. Anyway, you guys vote 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll put the link in the description box below, and maybe you can try this kit on your own. Alrighty, I will let you go. Have a good one. Bye for now.